Here's a fantastic piece for you folks out there. This is coming all the way from 1993, 94. What's it say on the... yeah, from 1993. It would have been on the shelves going through Christmas of 94 and in and around that era. But, oh man, check this out. This is a really, really cool piece. So, this... was right away. Usually toy lines wait a little while. They'll sell you the toys, you transform them, you do whatever in your hand, you have them fight, you have them sit around, you have them drink tea, whatever it is that you have them do, and then only later do they finally get around to introducing stuff where you and your friends can do exactly that. But this is a play-action toy that was designed for the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, so you could run out in the backyard and play Rangers by yourself, play shoot 'em up, play hide and seek with your laser blaster here. This is called the Power Morpher. And Power Gun Sword. So you're going to get both. You're also going to get all 5 of these coins, and you're going to get what looks like the front cover of every Animorphs story. Even if he didn't turn into a dinosaur, there would still be this transition on every Animorphs book. No one knows why, but it's a really cool piece. Now, first thing I'll do is I'll give you a quick idea of exactly how large it is. About 22 inches or so. You can see right there. Going that way. And what do we got on the other side here? We got... I don't know, about 10 inches or so on that side. Do you care much? Maybe, maybe not. But maybe you want to make some room under your Christmas tree. This is the unresolved child living in your soul can give you this for Christmas, or vice versa. Man, this is a really cool piece. So if you never got a chance, this is what you always wanted back in 1993, and you just never got a chance to get it. Now you can give your inner child this present right here. I want to show you. We can't show you the inside. Why? Because it is still sealed. Look at that. 30 some odd years later, and it has never been removed from the packaging. Still with the original provenance, the Toys R Us. How much was that back then? Wow, $25 in 1993. That was enough to buy you a compact car. That would buy you 2 years of college. $24.99 was a lot of money back then. And look at this. The edges are in nice condition. So I'm not a fan of grading. I don't care what you choose to do with it once you win it. And I hope that you do. Sealed on this end as well. Check that. But if you are into grading toys, this might be a candidate to send on into AFA and have it be even more protected. Personally, I would have loved if Johnny himself had opened this up and played with it and had a swell time 30 years ago. I'd love to see it if you want to dress up with your friends and run around and do the same. But if you just want to seal this away in some plastic and have it just be pristine and mint forever, that's cool too, whatever way you choose to do it. It does come with all these coins and the Power Morpher. Now, I imagine it's got electronics, right? It's got a safety tip sword blade, safety first. We do have in this particular auction we should have some other play action toys, so you can run out and use it as a sword against your friends and enemies, or you could use it as a laser. You can do whatever the Power Morpher thing is. And does it say anything about batteries? So it must be. I mean, you got the Morpher and this. It's got a bright red light. It's got to be electronic, right? If it is, and I don't know that, I'll have to do a little research. It comes with a little card right here. I thought that was a stain, but no, that's the design on it. Very cool right there. If it does have electronics, they have not been tested. We have obviously no way of getting into that box and checking it out. The best we can do is show you just the quality and condition. What is this? Maybe a little ding right there on that box, but overall, I'm looking at this and it seems like it's case fresh. So all around, a very cool piece. Obviously untested. There's no way to do it. It's just like it came out of the store in 1993. It's coming right out the store and into your collection. How do you make that happen? You head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com. You can use the links in the description or in the catalog itself, wherever those things may be. Look around, hit all the buttons. Make sure you're getting all of them in there. Leave those pre-bids right now or join us live on auction day. That's the best way to ensure that you're defending your bids in real time, protecting it against others to make sure that this gets into your collection. Whichever way you choose to do it, though, we're going to see you at the auction.